Hi friend, today we're diving into a fun DIY project, making ribbon from fabric to hang pinch pleat curtains. I recently visited my daughter Hannah and we decided to give her master bedroom a fabulous makeover. Over the next few weeks I'll share all the details from painting her room to a magical Harry Potter theme dormer. But today let's start with these beautiful curtains. So to start this project, we needed some fabric. So I picked up this cotton 1-yard piece of fabric from Walmart. But you can think outside of the box here. You can buy skirts from Goodwill, sheets, all kinds of stuff to save even more money and get more fabric. Now that we have what we need, let's head back to my daughter's house and get started making ribbon from fabric. We're using this ribbon as a guide, and we're making ribbon out of this fabric we bought at Walmart. So what you do is you place the size. I'm using this as a guide, so I'm putting this on here, and then you just cut a little bit there, and then you take it and you pull it, and then you have a homemade ribbon. So once you get it, just if you have any tucks in it, just pull those out. And another thing is you can iron it with a straightening iron. So now you can run over it with a straightening iron to get it nice and pretty too. So let's make more of these. We'll use this one as a guide now that we've created one. Straightening irons work like a charm on ribbon, but side note, Google the ribbon, the kind of fabric on your ribbon, because I think it's velvet, like it can melt. So be careful before you actually use any kind of iron on your ribbon. Just search the kind of material it is just to make sure. But this is such an easy way to iron these out. We just run them through the straightening iron, and then we've got all this ribbon that we can use to hang Hannah's curtains. Okay, so now it's time to actually attach these ribbons that we've made to the curtains. These are secondhand curtains that were given to Hannah by a friend, and they're pinch pleat curtains that already have the hook in the back, but she had no way to hang them on the rods in her master bedroom. So the first thing you'll do if you want to hang your curtains with ribbon like this is you're going to tie a bow around the rod, and you want to leave like maybe 1/2 inch or 1 inch gap there, just so it can hang on to it and you can slide it on the rod. So Hannah's creating a bow, a pretty bow with the ribbon here, and then she simply just takes that hook and she hooks the ribbon, the underside of the ribbon, the part that is below the rod. And then that's it. It's super easy. It's inexpensive to make your own ribbon. And if you need a lot like we needed here, this is the way to do it. And if you're wondering how I actually tied these bows, I created 2 ears and then I tied the ears together. This creates more of a nice even bow. Instead of it kind of sticking up on one side and down on the other, it makes it more even straight across. now that all the bows are in place and the curtain is hung, it's time to put the rod back up over the window. And this is how it turned out. Once you put it up, you're going to need to fluff your bows and make them look pretty. If your curtains are functional, you may have to fluff your bows every month or so. Well, there you have it. Here is how it all turned out in the room. We actually just redid this room, and that will be coming out in future episodes. So be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you can come join us. We're going to talk about that dormer over there. That was a project. That'll be in one video. And then we're going to talk about painting the room and all that fun stuff. So come join us, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I hope you're having a great day.